guys, I'm gonna turn this down. So, I'm starting out this week's vlog. Ooh, at Starbucks. Thank you. At Starbucks, we just got all of our drinks. We are now heading to go on a hike. And today we are staying off of social media. And we're staying off of social media. We're staying off of social media. And just kind of doing like a chill day. So yeah, we're gonna go to
Totally a vibe.
such a vibe. So we're gonna go hike, and then there's like this cool like waterfall, and I think there was like rope swings and stuff like that. So hi. So we just got all of our drinks, and then here's a bagel. Oh yes, we got our bagels, and now we are heading to the location. It is so pretty. What's the verdict, babe?
Very, very far fall. Looks like.
Yeah, pretty far. Been saying? No, not that one.
What, the tree quote?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Tree. I am no tree. I am a
Nymph.
A tree hunter.
We've been watching way too much freaking Lord of the Rings. Now he's back here thinking he's Treebeard. Greybeard. Is it Greybeard? Treebeard, right?
Yep.
Treebeard. Whoa, I almost fell. The trees here are so pretty. Yo, look at that red plant down there.
Yo, look at that red plant down there.
Actually, yeah, let me see
so
that.
red.
It's so freaking red, bro. Here, I'm zooming in on it, so look through here.
Oh,
you
I
see it?
I see it way over there.
Whoa. You can't even see it. Okay,
Like
well,
an octopus.
go pee, bud.
Right here.
Right there?
Hopefully nobody comes.
Okay, well, we're almost there. You can hear the waterfall in the background. Also, there's people here, so obviously you can freaking hear that too. So I think it's somewhere over here, but we are almost there. It is hot. Michael fell on his butt and peed his pants at the same time. Isn't that right, babe? It's true. He buys feet pics.
Sells feet pics.
Oh, and sells. Yeah, sorry. So, yeah. So we are about to, whoa, almost fell. We're heading back home now because it is about 5 o'clock and I feel like the sunset's around like 6:30, I think, right? It's like 6:37.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Yeah, so we gotta hurry head back, and I think we're gonna go to the boiling crab again because it has the best seafood like that on the island. get some low country boil. And yeah. Shut up, bro. I'm dying, bro. I'm literally dying. Got sweat. My booty cheeks are cold. What's next? I'm gonna faint. Can we get some crawdads?
Nice.
Nice. Oh, that's nice. Right, so we came home. We just changed, and now we're going to go get some low country boil. This is what I'm wearing. Just this cute top from, I want to say, Motel Rocks. And then these cute little like khaki shorts from Princess Polly. And then she is wearing this cute sweater from Princess Polly, and also some Ragged Priest cute mom jeans also from Princess Polly. So Michael, what's the fit check? We're gonna head out and go, yeah, something. But we're gonna head out, go to dinner, and bring you guys with. Before it's eaten, I am just making sure to document what's going on, because look at how he's eating this shit.
The sausage is so good.
I haven't tried the sausage, but
It's like
good morning, everyone. Michael is playing video games, winning at Apex, yeah? Something like that. So right now we are about to, so I'm in the military, as you guys know, and they're forcing us to all get vaccinated and stuff, so I'm going to get my COVID vaccine, even though I do not want it and I don't want to get it, but we're being forced to, and if not, then you get, what's it called? Dishonorably discharged, which is pretty much a felon against you, which is really hard to get, like, any type of job that is like good or well paying and stuff, and I have a family and hope to have kids one day, so it really makes no sense for me not to get the vaccine, even though I don't want it. But it kind of has to be what I have to do, and I prayed about it, and so now I kind of have some peace of mind over the situation, so I'm going to be getting the vaccine today. Yeah, I have to go get the vaccine, then I have to get my nails fixed, because these are just, this is not the look, it's just not good, so I'm gonna do that, and then I think we're getting some tats today, but it's like 9 o'clock, probably like 9:02, 9:01, yeah, it's like 9 in the morning. So we've been sitting here for literally forever.
almost 2 hours.
Yeah, literally. We got here at like 9:30, and then now it's like, what, almost 11 o'clock. We're just dying. I miss my nail appointment.
My back hurts.
Ugh.
And we want food because we haven't eaten yet today.
All day.
And I need a coffee.
I need something. We're just not living the life today.
No.
Lighting, so we're gonna die, so peace.
Oh, and the beep noise. Okay. Hello, everyone.
I am officially
Vaccinated.
Oh, tomorrow I am totally prepared to be like feeling sick. But does that stop me from doing anything like getting tattoos and going on a boat? Absolutely fucking not. So we're still gonna go do it.
Yeah, we're gonna have a fun day tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be super fun.
Today we're gonna keep it like chill.
Yeah,
like
we
cook
got
at
some
home.
coffees.
Oh yeah. Ice white mocha,
Yeah.
sweet cream foam, extra caramel, drizzle,
I tried the, what is this? The mocha cookie
crumble.
frappe thing. It's not the best.
It just tastes
The
like
new lady made it,
mocha.
and I was like, oh boy, here we go.
It's like she didn't even put any coffee in it. So
There's
that's cute.
no coffee. It's just like tastes like creamy chocolate.
Yeah. So
But that's okay. Now we're gonna get chicken from McDonald's. I know the chicken's fake.
even though it's not real chicken yet. But don't tell us.
I really want a
because-
chicken sandwich so bad.
So we're getting one. And then I
Yes.
think tonight we're probably gonna watch like the sunset and then
Do some
cute
little
little
pictures
cooking,
or something.
I don't even know.
cook some foods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much the vibe for today.
Yeah.
Been some time, but we are now at the beach and we're going to paint. So we have our easels. I brought some paintbrushes. We got some water, paint, and then over here, pretty little lady Oh, look how cute her little bathing suit. Oh my god. And then everything else, it probably does not look as beautiful as it does in person, but it's also a little cloudy here. Super pretty. So my camera died, so now I'm gonna use my phone, but we're watching sunset and it looks super pretty. What was that? Oh, that's kind of scary, but here's the sunset. Somebody's light was flashing. It looked like it was like taking photos of us, and it was just kind of scary, but it's okay.